Welcome to the Harisi channel. Today I'll show you how to adjust screen recording audio settings on the SAMSUNG Galaxy A72. So you can of course adjust them when you try to screen record, right here, or you can do it through settings. First open settings by pressing this little button here, and scroll down until you find the advanced features option. Click on screenshots and screen recordings, and look for record sound option. Here you can choose between just the phone sounds or phone sounds and your mic. Thank you for watching, subscribe to the Harisi channel for more videos, leave a like and a comment, and goodbye.